In this video, I will show you how to convert MKV to MP4. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. In this example, as you can see, I've got a video file here, which is an MKV file. Now, there is a website you can use, which is absolutely free to convert an MKV file to an MP4 file. So what you want to do is open up a new internet browser, and the website you want to come across to is called Cloud Convert. So if you come across to cloudconvert.com/mkv-converter, you'll be taken to a website like this. Now from here, what you want to do is go ahead and click onto the red select file button, and then select the file on your PC that you want to convert to an MP4. So what I'm going to do is click onto my desktop and find the video file, which was this one here, the MKV file, and then I'm going to click to open it up. Once you've done that, what you need to do is come across to where it says convert to, click onto this drop down box and select MP4 from here. Everything is now set up ready to go, so all you need to do now is come and click onto the red convert button. At this point, what it's going to do is upload the MKV file to the cloud, and once it's done that, it's going to start to convert this from an MKV file to an MP4 file format. As you can see, the file is currently processing through and it's going to start converting the file. Now generally it only takes a minute or two to do the conversion. Of course, this does depend on the size of the file. The bigger the file, the longer it's going to take to process through and convert from an MKV file to an MP4 file. Once the file has finished converting, it's going to open up this window like this, and it's going to show you a preview of the file. As you can see at the top, it is now in a .mp4 format. So at this point, all you need to do is come down to the bottom, and you're going to see a green download button. Once you've given that a click, it's going to start downloading this onto your PC. So again, it's just going to take a minute or two to download. But as you can see, this has now been converted to a .mp4 file. So that is how to convert MKV to MP4. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.